Okay, I want to once again go across to our editor-in-chief, Arnab Goswami, who's joining us on the phone line. Arnab, we just had Satish Maneshinde with us, who made a lot of very valid, critical, prima facie criminal law points when he said even if there was a politician who in whose residence such cash had been found, he would have immediately been arrested. No protection should be even given to constitutional authorities in such cases when unaccounted cash is found.
Yes, Rhythm, one more point I want to add. I'm afraid Mr. Maneshinde left before I could join, and I'm just coming in for a minute. In the letter of the Delhi High Court Chief Justice, he puts on record that he informed the... Mr. Maneshinde, are you there? Arnav here?
Yes, Arnav.
Mr. Maneshinde, just one point I wanted to add. I heard what you said. That in the letter of the Delhi High Court Chief Justice, he puts on record the fact that he had a word and immediately informed the Chief Justice of the Supreme Court once he was informed about this burning cash by the Delhi Police Commissioner. Therefore, what is more worrying for me is that the Supreme Court Chief Justice knew about this matter since around the 14th itself. That raises more questions on what the actions of the Supreme Court Collegium and what the actions of the Supreme Court Chief Justice in particular were. How do you view this?
Well, Arnab, here is a case which is open and shut. Cash has been found in a judge's official bungalow. Whether it is an outhouse or in the main bungalow, I'm not concerned. But the premises is occupied by the Chief Justice, by the judge of the Delhi High Court. So with this kind of evidence, there's a clear case for corruption, case being made out under the Prevention of Corruption Act. And with this kind of a defense by the judge that somebody is trying to fix me and it's a conspiracy against me is a useless defense according to me. And never heard of such a defense in a court of law in the last 42 years, particularly coming out from a judge who is a former senior advocate designated by the UP High Court. It's a very hollow defense put up by him. But the stage of defense would come when he is arraigned in a court and when he's asked to defend himself after the prosecution completes the evidence. Prima facie, cash has been found in the bungalow. The official residence is of the judge. There is no explanation as to how it landed there. That will be investigated by the police. This should be investigated by the cops immediately without wasting any further time.
Yes. Mr. Maneshinde, thank you for joining us late. The matter is very urgent, so we called on you. And Rhythm, back to you. I will be back tomorrow morning live. Viewers, I want to remind you, this is going to be a big development we are following. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you, Arnab.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you, Arnab, for joining us. And thank you, Satish Maneshinde, for joining us. And